Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share my experience at JW Marriott Hotel in Shenzhen, China. It was also my first time back to China since COVID, and I was very excited. Shenzhen is a vibrant city in the south of China. It's really amazed me with its dynamism. I chose the bao'an in location conveniently close to the airport, just about like 25-minute ride away. While exploring the area, I discovered a cool mall with fancy restaurants and cafes within a 3-minute walk from the hotel. The hotel room was spacious and the staff were friendly and professional, although I encountered a smelly toilet. I opted out of breakfast due to its high cost and plan to enjoy a great, affordable meal later in the day. All in all, it was a very nice experience, but next time I'm eager to explore another part of the city and stay longer. Now let's dive into the room tour.